I just wanted to test this media mod with my Hollyland Lark M2 mic, which is this one right now. This is the inbuilt microphone on the media mod that is basically capturing this sound. So now I'm going to switch to Hollyland Lark 2 and let's see what difference we see. So now you will be hearing me from my Hollyland Lark M2 mic, and the good part about this is like I can go anywhere, like however far I want to go from the camera, and this will capture my sound very well. So let me walk a little bit on the back. I hope my sound is crisp and clear. So that's like a drawback with the media mod, that like you need to have a wireless mic along with it, because sometimes if you're taking the moving shots or whatever, in those cases it might not work. And also I've heard the quality before of this Lark M2, so I'm pretty confident my quality is great right now. So I'm wearing a chain inside, so it's able to locate that and stick to that. So now you see. So now I'm gonna turn this off. Let's first hear. Okay, so you can pretty much hear my background noise and everything with the noise cancellation off. So I'm gonna turn it back on now. What do you think about it now? So now the noise cancellation is on, and that should capture it crisp and clear, I assume. So here's the thing: if you want to protect this from very windy environment or whatever, you can use the wind muff that comes along with this. Like if I compare the wind muffs from DJI or Rode, those just capture the above part of it. Like this is the input part of it, right? Like where you throw in your audio, right? But in Hollyland, wind muff basically covers everything. The dead cat basically covers all of it. So it's kind of weird. This is what I was talking about, the dead cat. So you can see this doesn't just come on the top, it covers the whole goddamn mic. And the part where I need to put it on is also kind of tricky. It's not that easy like to put it on. It's not that good. Yeah, honestly, like the dead cat is dead. So you have to fit it beforehand so that you have all of the mic inside this area. Currently when you're recording and you need to put the dead cat on, it's not an easy task on Hollyland. So all in all, that was like the comparison I wanted to do quickly with the media mod. Hope you liked it, and let me know in comments what you think about it.